Assetz is a group of property investment companies. We work in the UK markets and overseas. We provide development consultancy, we source international properties, but the core of the business is property investment, property sourcing and advice. We founded the company in '99, and it was really a situation where we couldn't find any credible suppliers of investment property. We were very, very unhappy with the way that the sellers dealt with the buyers. So we stepped into the middle to create a buffer to do the negotiation and the management of the seller. We developed the company out of the significant demand for property investment that's out in the market to essentially filter out all the hype and the misinformation that was often presented, and to deliver a quality ethical service. Just take one step back and say, what's causing prices to be what they are? What's causing the lack of availability of finance? It's banks generally pulling back finance. An investor with cash, happy to take the high yield, is stepping in and taking that property and giving the bank the money, and it's taking advantage of that.
Typically from a rental point of view, 8 or 9% per year income is readily achievable in the current market.
Our job is to act for the client, to find the best investments, to filter through that large number of opportunities out there, to pre-vet them, pre-filter them, due diligence them, and present them to clients as packaged product for them to invest in that we strongly recommend. With our offices in Manchester and London, we look after professionals of all types across the country, and an increasing number of overseas and expat community as well. Our clients are doctors, dentists, professionals like that, lawyers, but also business people and seasoned landlords, property investors who are looking to expand their portfolio. It's a common misconception. People think an estate agent is their friend when they're buying a house, but they act for the vendor. Their job is to sell that house. We sit on the buyer's side of the fence. Our job is to negotiate the best deals on the best product that we filter out in advance and present it to our clients as a recommendation. And that, when you think about it as an investor, is exactly what you want. Our experienced lending team give as private lenders the chance to participate in property development funding and make returns from property development without being a property developer. The balance of power in a marketplace is a very important thing to address. Education is at the heart of that, and a community. What we're specialising in is finding deals for people. In our speciality, it's finding opportunities that aren't sat there in the newspaper ads. What that means is looking through the property investment world for investments that we would make and that we recommend our clients make. I think it's very difficult in today's world of people selling to you to gain an understanding of what really benefits your portfolio. We've always done, since 2003, educational members' days, bringing information about market sectors to people so that they can understand better what it is that they might be buying. How it works is by putting quality borrowers in touch with cash-rich investors who want a good rate of return on their money, but good security for that money whilst the money is lent out. The Assetz difference that people are looking for is the intelligent approach to what it is we're sourcing, the due diligence, the sourcing of properties that will be robust, relatively hands-off investments for the long term, and that will come with few problems that could be dealt with if necessary, and that will give them the sound income that they need in the long term as a result. I think if there's one thing that we tell investors consistently, it is just that. Invest, don't speculate. Speculation is hope on house price growth. Investment is about measuring the property characteristics today. And we always say, make the centre of your portfolio, the core of your portfolio, a sound income producing asset base.
People need somewhere safe to put their cash that produces a good rental income that competes well with what banks are offering at the moment, and gives them a sense of security. Bricks and mortar do that.